Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Pros channel. Today we're going to be quickly showing you how to replace the back windshield wiper on a Chevy Equinox. So we'll get started. The first thing you're going to do is remove this plastic piece. To do that, you just pull it up, kind of pull it out, and then you slide it this way. Now we can see this on the camera. Well, we'll make sure you can see it here. But it's got this hook right here that slides into here. After you've removed the black plastic piece, you need to remove the windshield wiper. As you can see, right in here, there's a black plastic piece in there that you need to pinch in order to push the windshield wiper this way. So we'll do that now. Using a key, you can just lift up the windshield wiper and push that black plastic piece right up against this metal arm, and that'll allow you to slide the windshield or the wiper off of that metal piece. And then we just grab the new one. Slide it right back on like that. You heard it click, so it's locked. And then we just grab our plastic piece. You gotta remember that that hook right there needs to go back in there, push over, and then push down. And that's how you replace the windshield wiper on the back window of a Chevy Equinox. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. From time to time, we do giveaways. Also, check out the description of this video. We offer discounts on some of our products as well as various other auto product accessories. And we'll also provide a link to the back windshield wiper for a Chevy Equinox. Thank you.